Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अमूल में अब वक्त है पुरुषों के 70 यानी के 70 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का और दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं जॉर्जिया मूल के डेविड Talashdase. Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अमूल में अब जयपुर निंजास की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के विनोद कुमार ओम प्रकाश।
So we're set for this men's 70 kilogram contest. David Ashadze for Delhi, the Georgian, is 25 years old. Won the bronze at the World Cup in 2016, European Championship silver as well, to his credit. So he's an experienced campaigner. He goes up against Vinod Kumar Om Prakash of India, representing Jaipur Ninjas. The 23-year-old had a very good start to this season as well. Commonwealth Championship silver, Senior Asian Championships silver as well. But remember, this season he has already seen action and had a very, very good outing indeed. So the important part is how can he go here? I'm Raman Banot, with me is Ajay Mehra.
Thanks, Raman. Satyadev Malik, the referee for this bout. But this is a very important bout, remember, for Delhi Sultans. They have to win it. This is do or die as far as today's tie is concerned, because they are trailing 1-3 at the moment. So they have to win this. And there will be some added pressure on David Ashadze. Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, he rightly mentioned, started off in great fashion. He won his opening bout in this season. And that was very impressive from him against Pankaj Rana, winning 5-3.
And Ajay, that win came after he was trailing 2-3 at the end of the first round. So he came back in the second round. In the final 3 minutes is where he managed to pick up 3 points and notched up a win. So he had a come from behind victory, and that's not easy. Any grappler is going to tell you that it's never easy to come from behind and win.
Yeah, absolutely. And that win always, adds to your confidence. Any field, any sport, that's so very important.
A healthy smattering of spectators in at the stadium in Delhi, watching action in the Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League, co-sponsored by Amul. This is season 2. It's getting bigger, better. We're seeing grapplers from all around the world. 19 Olympians, 11 Olympic medalists taking part this season.
And also to add 9 medalists from the current World Championship. So that really adds to the color as well. And a lot of experience behind all these grapplers coming out here in this biggest league as far as wrestling is concerned all over the world.
Now Ashadze is the more fancied of the two grapplers in this contest. About a minute and a half gone. The reason why I said this is a very important contest for Delhi is they've got to win this bout. Remember, there are 7 bouts in the day today. Currently the tie score is 3-1 in favor of Jaipur. So if they were to win this bout, it's going to be the end of it. Now, activity time kicking in, which means that in the next 30 seconds, we're going to see the grappler score a point.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's the reason, straight away, David looking for that single leg tackle. He's still not in hold, in proper grip. That's a very good work. That has been very impressive from Vinod Kumar. Great defense by him. Came back very strongly. He was in a bit of trouble initially.
Yes, denying his opponent the takedown. Now an illegal hold and throw. And that's the reason why Satyadev is just cautioning the grappler.
And I thought that was a very stern warning, because this was done initially as well. And this time, Satyadev was very, very stern on David.
That's the end of 30 seconds of that activity period. So because of passivity shown, 1 point given to the blue corner, which means it's the Jaipur Ninja team who've got a point there. Vinod Kumar gets a point, and that's a great start for him.
Yeah, absolutely. And also the bigger thing is, Raman, not much time left now. Just under a minute left now in this round one. So initial points are always very important. Trying to push his opponent away here. David Lashadze trying his best. Just coming back into the safety zone now.
Just trying to push him outside the outer circle. If he'd managed to do that, he would have picked up another point, Om Prakash. But there's good defense from Lashadze.
Yeah, also I thought so far Om Prakash has done the wise thing. He knows he's got the lead now, just taking his time. Not much time left now in round one, under 10 seconds. And this lead could be pretty decisive. So Om Prakash for the Jaipur Ninjas, he started off well. He's got that initial point and he's leading in this bout 1-0. But this round two holds a lot of promise, and all the people that have turned up are witnessing a very engrossing and interesting battle on. Remember, Jaipur Ninjas, they've got a very healthy lead at the moment in this tie. They're leading 3-1. And a lot of talk by the coaches of both the grapplers. Going to be interesting what ploy now David Lashadze has. Remember, he's got some experience behind him, the Georgian, the 70 kg category. He won a bronze in the World Cup in 2016, just recently. Also a silver in the European Championship in the last year, that 2016. Just done well last season.
Yes, he has, Ajay. Now the second round getting underway. Remember, 3 minutes for the second round. This is the final round as well. So the last throw of the die has to come from David Lashadze. The more fancied of the two grapplers, Vinod Kumar, Om Prakash. Remember, in the first bout that he contested this season, he registered a win, and that came against Pankaj Rana when they beat the Punjab side in Jaipur. And this is the new team. You've got to keep repeating that. What a start they're having to the season.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. You very rightly mentioned. And they won 5-2 in the opening tie they had against NCR Punjab Royals. And that was a very confident and a good margin victory for them. And that should, always lead to some confidence amongst the grapplers. You got to gel as a unit. You got to perform as a unit. And that's exactly what's happening. They're looking a very different opposition today, Jaipur Ninjas.
Oh, they are. Just right at the center of the mat here. This is going to be a period where you get a feeling David Lashadze is going to try and do something extra to score a point. Vinod Kumar, Om Prakash has the lead of a solitary point. You can see the urgency writ large on the Delhi coaches' faces.
Yeah, absolutely. Because they know the importance of this bout. They have to win it. It's a do or die. Because if they lose today's tie as well. So this is a very important one. And remember, after this is going to be Sakshi Malik coming on for Delhi Sultans. That's a high voltage tie against Pooja Dhanda. But only if here David wins this one. Otherwise, it will be a formality.
Ajay, tell you what, if David Lashadze, who's in your picture frames, if he were to win this, then Sakshi will have a great chance to level things in this tie. So it could become very interesting. But for the moment, Om Prakash is in a position to probably garner a couple of points. He's pushed his opponent out of the safety zone. He should pick up 1 point. Yes, he does. Signaled by the referee as well. Satyadev Malik raises the hand with the blue wristband on.
Absolutely important. Very important. This 1 point. And Vinod is going all guns blazing out here.
Great defense by Om Prakash there. Went for a single leg hold, did Lashadze, but Vinod was so quick to get out of it.
I thought his attack today, his defense has been outstanding. It's not easy because we all know the experience that David has. It's not easy, but remember, as rightly mentioned earlier, Vinod has won his opening bout. So that adds to his confidence as well. At the moment, he's trying his best for the tackle, staying very low. Vinod Om Prakash.
And another thing is, David Lashadze, now he's trailing by 2 points. He's got to go for a bigger maneuver to try and score at least 2 points to level the tie. And if he were to score, and the score then remains at 2-2, then he'll go on and win the bout because he's going to be the grappler who'll score the final points.
So absolutely on the button because he needs a takedown here. He needs to attack. No other ways are around for David Lashadze. He's got to get that takedown. Time is running away from him.
And I tell you what, that could work in Vinod Kumar's favor, because at times when the opponent tries too hard, he could just leave an opening for you to capitalize on. Under 15 seconds to go. Can Vinod pick up some more points to consolidate his lead? Or will Lashadze fight back? Just 5 seconds to go. The crowd is egging on Vinod.
But I think it's all over. Yes, it's all over. That's the signal from the referee. Satyadev Malik is signaling it. And, well, Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, the Indian, he's made many people proud. He's won the hearts. He's defeated David Lashadze. And what a contest. And with that, Jaipur Ninjas taking today's tie as well. This has been a very, very good effort from Vinod Kumar Om Prakash.
Wow. Silver medal at the Commonwealth Championships in Singapore for Vinod Kumar Om Prakash. He is growing from strength to strength now. A victory over Lashadze by 2 points. Points difference deciding this bout. So it's 2 wins out of 2 as well for Om Prakash this season. Remember earlier he'd beaten Pankaj Rana of Punjab Royals. Today he's got the better of Lashadze of the Delhi Sultan team. And this win is so important because it now gives Jaipur an unassailable 4-1 lead.